90% of warning lights aren't catastrophic failures. They're software glitches, temporary faults, corrupted memory. But here's how it plays out. $200 diagnostic scan, $1,500 urgent repair, all for something that could have been reset in minutes. Dealers know it, shops know it, and today I'm exposing the resets they quietly hope you never try. There are 15 of them, and the last one, it's why my truck hit 340,000 miles without a single dealer visit. Stay with me. This could save you thousands. Reset number 15. Battery disconnect ECU reset. Check engine light on, rough idle, weird shifting. Before you panic, try this. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Wait 15 minutes. Reconnect. This clears stored adaptive data and temporary fault codes in many vehicles. Sometimes a voltage fluctuation or momentary glitch triggers a code that isn't a real failure. Important, if the light comes back, you likely have a genuine issue. But trying this first costs nothing. Let me ask you something. How many times have you paid for diagnostics before trying something simple? If this is already helpful, hit subscribe now because the next reset has saved people $350 in under 60 seconds. Reset number 14. Throttle body relearn. Rough idle? Stalling at stoplights? Sluggish throttle response? Shops often charge throttle cleaning plus relearn, $300 to $400, but many cars allow a simple relearn procedure. Ignition on, don't start, wait 10 seconds. Press gas pedal fully down for 10 seconds. Turn ignition off, wait 10 seconds, start normally. On many models, this resets throttle position memory. Not universal, won't fix mechanical carbon buildup, but it's free to try. Reset number 13, transmission adaptation reset. Hard shifting, delayed engagement? Before authorizing a $2,800 rebuild, warm the car fully, come to a stop. Shift slowly through every gear, hold each for 3 seconds. Return to park, turn off, wait 60 seconds, restart. This forces the transmission control module to relearn shift timing. Sometimes harsh shifting is corrupted adaptive data, not internal damage. If slipping continues, stop driving and get it checked. Would you spend 3 minutes to potentially save $3,000? If yes, subscribe now. The resets coming up get even more overlooked. Reset number 12, TPMS reset. Tire pressure light on, but tires are fine? Most vehicles have a TPMS reset button. Ignition on, hold reset button until light blinks. Drive above 30 miles per hour for several minutes. Warning, if it keeps returning, you may have a failing sensor. But shops charging $50 to $75 just to push a button? That's avoidable. Reset number 11, power window auto reset. Auto up stopped working? Roll window fully down, hold switch 5 seconds. Roll fully up, hold 5 seconds. Often restores one touch function. No regulator replacement needed. If you've learned even one thing so far, hit that like button and comment which reset surprised you most. Now let's get into the ones mechanics really guard. Reset number 10. Sunroof initialization. Sunroof stuck? Slight gap? Close completely. Hold close for 10 seconds, then hold open through full calibration cycle. Many systems relearn limits automatically. Warning, if you hear grinding, stop immediately. Reset number 9. Steering angle sensor reset. Stability control light on? Turn wheel full left, hold 3 seconds. Full right, hold 3 seconds. Center wheel. Restart. After alignments or potholes, calibration can drift. This often fixes it. Reset number 8. Climate control recalibration. Hot air on one side, cold on the other. On many models, hold recirculation plus rear defrost. Start vehicle, allow calibration cycle to run. Blend doors recalibrate. Shops often place parts that just needed relearning. We're getting into the top resets now. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. The final 2 are the ones that stop $2,000 plus repair bills. Reset number 7, fuel trim or idle relearn. Persistent rough idle after placing parts? Disconnect battery. Turn headlights on while disconnected. Wait 30 minutes, reconnect. Idle 10 minutes, idle 5 more with AC on, drive normally. This clears corrupted fuel trim data. Modern cars adapt constantly. Sometimes that data gets messy. Reset number 6, ABS recalibration drive. ABS light after tire work? Safe area, accelerate to 40 miles per hour. Brake firmly, activate ABS. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Drive slow circles both directions. Restart vehicle. Sometimes the system just needs sensor data refresh. Warning, if ABS returns, diagnose immediately. Brakes are not optional. First, a bit of the truth. Most modern car issues are software adaptation problems, but software resets don't generate revenue. Replacing parts does. Now let's talk about the 2 biggest money savers. Reset number 2, limp mode reset. Transmission stuck in 1 gear? Stop safely, shift to park, turn off engine. Wait 2 full minutes. Restart while pressing gas halfway for 5 seconds. Cycle gears. Sometimes limp mode is just protective memory, not failure. If it returns, get it diagnosed properly. The champion. Reset number 1. Complete ECU, TCU hard reset. The master reset. Disconnect negative battery terminal. Touch negative to positive cable, not battery terminal, for 30 seconds to drain residual power. Wait 15 minutes. Reconnect. Ignition on 10 seconds, off, repeat 3 times. Idle 10 minutes, idle 5 with accessories on. Drive 20 minutes, varied conditions. This forces full system relearn. Warning, radio codes may reset, emissions monitors reset, memory settings erased. But this reset has prevented thousands in unnecessary repairs. Drivers who try resets first, average repair bill, low. Drivers who replace parts first, average repair bill, painful. Knowledge is the difference. Before authorizing any expensive repair, ask yourself, did I try the reset? Comment below, which reset did you already know? Like the video if this saved you money. Subscribe for real-world car advice that actually matters. And click the video on your screen now. I'll see you there.